It's 8 AM. It's just a little bit under 0 degrees centigrade, and the sun is up behind the trees over there. It's probably been up for a while, to be fair, at 8 o'clock. Would have come up about 7:30, something like that. Wasn't a bad night. Cold outside, I think, but inside me, sleeping bag, not even remotely cold. There wasn't any time in the night where I thought, oh, Jesus Christ, this is getting a bit bad. So I was alright. No bad at all. That's because I'm wandering about outside and it is still, say, under 0 degrees centigrade, so it is still, it's a little bit nippy. I had some gloves on before, I don't need them now. I discovered I brought 1.5 pairs of gloves. And of course, typically you take the 2 right-hand gloves out, don't you? So it's a faff around. It's not so bad though. But this is a site. Tell you what, it's not bad. We've got basically 2 fields for camping. The one I'm in, let's climb it up. The other side of those trees that you can just see there, that's non-electric, and it extends quite a ways around. In fact, if I'd been willing to ride around the field, which I was advised to be careful of, I could. I've got all the way around. Ground doesn't look that bad actually. I think I could probably have ridden my bike across it no trouble last night. There we go, there's the rest of the field. Right, so what you can see behind me, let's get out of the way, all of that, that's non-electric. And then if you turn around and look up there, all of that is non-electric. And when you get right up in the far corner there, there's a path to the pub, sloping path. Pub's pretty good actually. Had a nice meal in there last night. Had black pudding stacked on top of mashed potato with a Pepper's corn sauce, and I had stew with dumplings and red cabbage. Yeah, and this is the other half. This is the electric pictures. We've got some static caravans over there. I think there's people living in those. I've no idea what that is over there. Probably a storage place. And then we have over there some caravan pictures. And if you want to know where the pub is, there it is, right there. Can't miss it, can you? Very short walk away from your tent, and to be blunt, toasty flipping warm. Up there, top of that hill, Beeston Castle is up there somewhere, and then over the other way, a little bit further on, there's Peckforton Castle. Looked quite impressive when I was riding in, as it happens. Peckforton Castle looked especially in good shape, but I do think they look after that one, they do weddings and what have you at it. And they also have reenactments, not that I've seen any of them, but they do them. My tent, usual stuff. It's a single layer tent, so it's if you're going to be in it, you're going to get condensation, which I got. But my sleeping bag's inside a waterproof bivvy, so there's never any sort of an issue for me. Popped my little head out about 7 o'clock this morning. Just opened the door on the tent, left it wide open, and just had a look at the world around. It's quite pleasant that time in the morning. Nippy for sure, but quite pleasant. When I've got a spot, water. Water for me. Let's see if I can get it. It's not the right place. Water there. 10 paces away from my tent. Couldn't ask for anything better. And I'm sort of thinking, because it's 8 o'clock, in half an hour's time I'm going to be packed up, I reckon. I've only got to drop the tent. That's all I've got left to do. And then I'm set to go. And I think I'm going to wander up to the pub and have my breakfast. 1/2 degree centigrade, I reckon there's probably going to be some ice around, so.